Neuschwanstein Castle, located in Germany, is a captivating and iconic landmark that attracts tourists from all around the world. This magnificent castle is nestled in the picturesque landscape of Bavaria, offering breathtaking views and a glimpse into history. Thanks to modern technology, visitors can now explore Neuschwanstein Castle from a unique perspective through drone photography. Drones offer an aerial view of the castle and its surroundings, allowing travelers to appreciate its grandeur and intricate design from above. Tourism at Neuschwanstein Castle is thriving, drawing millions of visitors each year. Travelers are lured by the castle's rich history, stunning surroundings, and the opportunity to explore one of Germany's most famous landmarks. The castle offers guided tours that provide insights into its construction, architectural details, and the life of King Ludwig. For those planning a visit to Neuschwanstein Castle, it is advisable to book tickets in advance due to its popularity. Guided tours are available for visitors who wish to delve deeper into the history and stories behind this enchanting landmark. If you're planning a trip to Germany, be sure to include Neuschwanstein Castle on your itinerary. Whether you're exploring its grounds or immersing yourself in its fascinating history, this architectural marvel promises an unforgettable experience that will transport you back in time.